Hi, this is just a very brief screencast on the new Screencast-O-Matic app. You'll see right now that I am within the Screencast-O-Matic app on my iPad, and you'll see that our screen is recording. So what I wanted you to see was in the App Store, to the top right-hand side, this is what your Screencast-O-Matic app will look like in the App Store. It is a free download. Once you open it, it will walk you through instructions on how to get started. It is very, very simple. But mostly the reason why I wanted to show you guys this was to use other apps, for example, Jamboard. So Dr. Dempster is going to go over Jamboard in her Google session. This is a Google product, but basically what this is an interactive whiteboard. And for all of our faculty that really need an interactive whiteboard and showing things on a whiteboard to students, this is really the perfect and most easy way to do it. She's going to go over all of the ins and outs of Jamboard, but just know that if you need to share a whiteboard with your students or multiple whiteboards with your students, and they can even be interactive, this is really the tool for you with using the Screencast-O-Matic app on your iPad or Android device. Hope this helps. Y'all have a great day.